These are exciting times at the MMRF, and I wanted to give you a quick update on everything happening with our strategic plan. You'll remember our plan is supported by 3 important pillars. First, advance immunotherapies as fast as we can. Second, bring new drugs to myeloma with our venture and investment fund. And third, harness the data we have so we can identify new targets and care pathways. Our immune efforts, they are well underway with an amazing steering committee comprised of pharmaceutical partners and academic partners. Together, we are committed to standardizing immune data so that we can analyze it and make sure we find the right targets and biomarkers. Together, we'll also identify the best immunotherapies in each company's pipeline and make sure we bring them to our MMRC as quickly as we can, either in single agent or in combination approaches. And third, we'll analyze smoldering patients and find immune therapies that will help halt their disease. As we move forward on the investment fund, we've shared with you our first deal has already been signed with a great company called Neximune, and it has been so rewarding to watch other biotech companies come into our office and learn about how to use the funding, but also the access that the MMRF offers to tissue bank, the data bank, and of course our MMRC. There are at least 12 subtypes of myeloma. If we're going to cure each subtype, we have to have a huge armamentarium of drugs, and when we know which combination works for each subtype, we have to share all of that information with everybody so that each patient knows which care pathway to follow. Now, in order for us to really identify targets and care pathways, we need an abundance of data from thousands of patients. And that data has to be clinical from the patient's EHR, genomic from sequencing, and longitudinal, looking at that patient's journey over time. Since no single center sees enough patients to generate this abundance of data, the MMRF had to take charge and build what we now call CureCloud. We brought in technology partners who are working side by side with us to make sure that every bit of data that comes in is tied to an electronic health record, provides genomic sequencing on that patient, and provides that important immune information on that patient. As our CureCloud moves forward and we create this amazing space for everybody to work in, researchers can identify new targets, our clinical oncologists help us find new care pathways, and patients can finally get involved in their own care. None of this would be possible without your support and help. So thank you.